there is a person in there, two persons met. Okay, assume that X and Y. X person is always telling, oh, I'm so and so great. My father is so and so. My kids are so and so. I did so and so. Like, what is the feeling of opposite person? Right. నన్ను తగులుకున్నాడు పొద్దున్నే have you observed? Definitely that feeling opposite person is going to have or not. It not matters to that opposite person who you are, what you are, all these things. Same X person. Now the style strategy got changed. Anna, I saw you first time. Are you new to this community? Then immediately that person is going to tell, yeah, just recently came. Okay, wonderful. It's a good community. Wonderful. Okay, what about your native place? What about your kids? What they are doing? So what about your job? If you start asking them, they know they are feeling very happy. They are feeling very happy because this person is giving very much importance to me. Very much importance to me. Like, they know now what is the feeling of opposite person? Is feeling very happy to communicate with this person or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the difference. Think about opposite person. What they require. Some people may blame me. Just usually in discussion, yeah, I'm the fan of Chandrababu Naidu. Like if any person is using the word, then immediately in the discussion, yeah, he's a too visionary leader. Okay, he can do anything. In Hyderabad, there are multiple things. The results are just in his role is also there. Okay, like I'm always keeping that person is going to add some more points. So do you know that discussion is going to be happen 4 hours, 5 hours? Then at last, Durga is the best person, man. Okay, like he's going to give the feedback. Wonderful. After 2 days, okay, my brother is there beside me. My brother is going to see me. After 2 days, I met another person. Yeah, Chandrababu is the very worst person. Full selfish person. Okay, like, yeah, obviously, sir. Obviously. What about Jagan is the too good? Jagan is the too good. Yeah, Jagan is the too good, sir. At a very small age only, he became chief minister. He became CM. Do you know, he struggled like anything. Like, if I add some more extra points, like, oh, that discussion is going to be happen 10 hours also. Then after that, by leaving, Durga, best friend, man. You are my best friend, man. Okay, like, he will go. Observe the difference. Here, what I am, not important. Not important for me. What is his dreams or what is his interest? Based on that only, I'm talking. Then obviously, I'm the best person for Chandrababu Naidu fan. I'm the best friend for Jagan fan also. Harry, what about you? I'm not having anything. Any person is equal to me. I hope, are you getting my point? The total world is always with you. The total world is always with you. Believe me. If you are doing, okay, what I like. Sometimes what will happen is one person is the Jagan fan, another person is the Chandrababu Naidu fan. They are going to talk. It is not like talking. It is something like fighting kind of thing. Have you remembered? Multiple places. These type of arguments, heated arguments are going to be happen. And at last with
TV
full,
channel.
Fighting kind of thing. At last they are with full angriness. They are going to separate. They never don't want to meet again in their life. Such type of scenarios have you observed, right?
In the news channels, definitely, yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely. News channels, even in the normal cases also, in the Rachabanda, in the villages, do you know, there is, there is, at the beginning, they are very happy to sit, but at last, with full angriness, they are going to be separated. Where is the problem? He is always talking about himself. Then both are completely opposite word fighting is going to be happen. Then this person is going to comment, Are, Jagan is the very worst. That person is going to comment, Chandrababu is the very worst. Okay, like dot, and so on. So take very special care. Identify opposite person interest. Identify opposite person goals, desires. We require to worry about that only. Then obviously our things are going to work out in the smooth way.